AUTOSAR stands for Automotive Open System Architecture. Now you have the chance to check your newly acquired knowledge by completing this quiz. Click on Start Quiz when you want to begin. Is the primary goal of the AUTOSAR development partnership the development of fast cars, or the standardization of basic system functions and functional interfaces? The acceptance test standard extends the classic platform. True or false? Which standards extend the foundation directly? Acceptance test, adaptive platform, or classic platform? If you want to learn more about AUTOSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.